said for me to pull it off of the string thing, right? This thing? What?
Yeah, you put it in your mouth. And then chew. There you go. Ooh, it tastes so good. No, it's not even disgusting.
Hi, Ryan.
Ryan. Hi. Said a crush.
Oh, you're recording me?
Yeah.
That's gone with your sour mix, so I'll eat it.
I'll tell you. Oh my gosh. I was recording it.
Huh?
Never mind. I'll tell you later.
Is this the first time you're eating an orange? Yes. Ever? What is wrong with you?
That's what I said.
I didn't know I like orange juice. You don't like,
Yay!
you don't like orange juice? No? Do you like apple juice?
Apple juice okay.
Apple juice is bomb.
Yay, Jason. Nice job.
Oh, girl.
It's not gross. Bye-bye.
I'm not from the...
Swallow it. And then I'm going to turn it off.
That's what she said. That's what she said. That's what she said.
Okay.
I'm done.